Hey, Lynette here, and these are the spoilers for Sephora Play for the month of September, brought to you by my subscription addiction. This is the entire full list, and of course we will have the full products in the description box below also, if you guys want to check that out. And at the end of the video, there's also one version of the box that some subscribers may be receiving, and of course again we'll have the full box in the description box below. But if you're like me, let's get into those spoilers, guys. Okay guys, so what did you think of the September box? Are you excited? Any product in particular that you're happy about? Definitely let me know in the comment section below. And of course, make sure you like and subscribe so you never miss another spoiler. Have a good day, guys.